Pumpkin spice season is here, so let's whip up some delicious pumpkin spice scones. I'm Kat, owner of Charmin Chic Baking, and welcome to my channel. If you can't find pumpkin spice blend at your grocery store or prefer to make your own, it's very easy. Simply mix in 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon with 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. The recipe is listed in the description below. Give it a good mix before adding it to a container, preferably a glass jar. I'm using a 4-ounce glass jar that I got at the dollar store, which is the perfect size for this mixture. And it will last you all pumpkin spice season long. To make the dry mixture, we're going to add baking powder, salt, and 2 teaspoons of the pumpkin spice blend to the all-purpose flour. I'm using a whisk to mix it all up and break down the flour lumps. Next, take out the pre-measured frozen butter. Using the largest holes on your grater, grate the butter into the flour mixture. I'm using frozen butter instead of cutting in cold butter with a pastry blender because I find it easier and it ensures the butter is more evenly distributed. Fold in the grated butter to coat it completely with the flour mixture, then set it aside. The next step is crucial for achieving flaky scones instead of moist ones. So using paper towels, thoroughly blot the pumpkin puree and remove as much moisture as possible. Next, whisk in the egg, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and finally the cream until all smooth. Pour the pumpkin mixture over top the flour mixture, and with a fork or a wooden spoon, gently mix in just to combine, but don't overmix. Place the dough over top a sheet of plastic wrap, cover, and press into a 1/2-inch circle about 8 inches in diameter. This will make 8 large scones, but if you prefer to make mini scones, divide the dough in half and shape each half into a circle. If there's still some unincorporated flour, don't worry, as it will mix in as you pat the dough down. Refrigerate the dough at least 2 to 4 hours and up to overnight until hardened. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Unwrap the dough and you'll notice little bits of butter throughout, which is what we want to create those flaky layers. With a floured knife, cut the dough into 8 even triangles. Place the scones onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and reshape if necessary. Brush the tops and sides with a little milk or cream, then sprinkle over a little coarse sugar over top for a little caramel flavor. Bake the scones for 25 minutes or until lightly browned, and for mini scones, bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Allow the scones to cool completely on a wire rack before consuming. Now it's taste test time. These scones are perfectly flaky without being dry, and they're bursting with that irresistible aroma and flavor of pumpkin spice. These scones also freeze fall before and after baking. You can even drizzle over a little icing for an even more elegant look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for next week for more pumpkin spice recipes.